Experience another world and let's quest up north of Antarctica. Discover and trail on this frozen, windswept continent only here in the Trails of Antarctica. The Penguin Quest here in Manila Ocean Park.
I'm so excited to discover Antarctica!
大家好，马尼拉海洋公园最新最酷的景点实在太好玩了。
还有，因为假期快到了，所以这可是目前最适合大家观赏的景点之一。
你们也可以跟你们的朋友们一起来的。想知道更多吗？tutok lang dito sa
Pinoy Channel! Here in this episode, we will experience how chilly it is up the globe.
Experience Antarctica at its best. Mamaya may makikita rin tayong mga penguins kaya napaka-exciting talaga nito. Only here in the Trails of Antarctica ng Manila Ocean Park.
To lead us to the trails, we have here the Program Development Specialist of Manila Ocean Park, Mr. Javi Lim. Hi, sir!
Hello, good afternoon. So I'm glad na naka-drop by kayo ngayon sa Trails of Antarctica ng Manila Ocean Park.
Excited na kami.
Handa na ba kayong mag-explore?
Hindi na ba kami handa, sir? Saan po ba kayo?
Alright, so right this way. So, nag-enjoy ba kayo dito sa Discovering Antarctica?
Oo naman.
Okay. So, dito sa Discovering Antarctica, the first part of the Trails of Antarctica exhibit, makikita dito yung history of the Antarctic expeditions, as well as some info and trivia on yung penguins na found all over the world.
Ang cool talaga. Ang dami talagang information na makikita dito. Ang fun pa, di ba? Fun learning talaga. Dito sa trail na tawag nila, Discovering Antarctica.
Yes. We have an attraction inside the Trails of Antarctica exhibit where you can also toboggan like the penguin.
Wow! Try na natin! Ano yun, sir?
Alright, so shall we try the slide?
Oh, naman.
Right, let's go. So, nandito na tayo sa slide of fun. Handa na ba kayo?
Yes! Excited to me. Anong gusto mo?
Sige, so kung na kayo, I will give you these questions.
Alright!
So, before I let you go down the slide, just a few, some pointers lang, no? So first, hang on to the salvavida, or the whole drift downward. Okay? No horseplay, so don't try to jump out of the salvavida, okay? And keep your legs always and your arms always within the area, alright? Also, if you're going to do this activity again, make sure that you always listen to the instructions of the guest services personnel. Alright, handa na ba kayo?
Okay, Ginebra ka na, tandaan niyo yung mga yan, ha? Tara, let's go!
Alright, have fun! So yung slide of fun, basically ginagaya niya yung pag-slide ng mga penguins sa bellies nila. Okay, so although dito tayo pwede mag-slide belly first, para enjoy pa rin, di ba?
Ice cream of ice cream.
Made of, yes, ice slide siya. Alright, so let's go to the next attraction. Ready na ba kayo? Alright, so let's go!
How do you take care of these penguins?
Okay, so yung penguins dito sa Manila Ocean Park, we have special yung water nila, no? Chilled. may chiller yung water nila para cool lagi yung water. And then, we have 9 penguins. We also have a veterinarian who comes and check niya lagi yung health ng penguins. Ang ages ng penguins namin is from less than 1 year to about 6 years.
So, how long lifespan?
Ang average lifespan ng penguins in the wild is about 20 years. Right now, what the penguins are doing is called porpoising. Ayan, they're gonna jump out of the water. Ayan. It's called porpoising.
So, parang naglalaro lang sila.
Parang naglalaro sila, oo.
Okay, there you have it, mga Pinoy Barkada. We learned a lot about the penguins today. So, let's go to our
So
next.
let's go to the last attraction of the Trails of Antarctica exhibit, the Snow Village.
Yes.
Are you ready na?
Yes.
Yes. Alright, so let's go. So welcome to the Snow Village. Ito yung last portion ng Trails to Antarctica. Napapansin niyo, lamig-lamig, di ba? Okay, so wala pa yan, mas malamig pa sa loob. That's why before you go in, I need to hand you your jackets and your mittens, okay? And some precautions na while we're inside, no? No running, kasi baka madalas kayo. Also, it's preferable na when you come here, you wear closed shoes and pants. Ready na? Alright, so let me hand you your mittens and your jackets, and let's go inside.
So guys, review muna tayo. So first, we went to discovering Antarctica.
And then we slid down the 42-meter slide of fun.
Yes, tama. Then, we learned a lot about the Humboldt penguins.
And now we're here in Snow Village.
Yes,
Sir, how
tama.
do you maintain the Snow Village?
Okay, it's Snow Village. It's very cold. And to maintain this temperature, we have specialized chillers, which blast extremely cool air.
Let's invite Chinoy Barkada to come to Trails to Antarctica here in Ocean Park.
Okay, so viewers, especially those who've never been to, who've never experienced winter, come and visit Trails to Antarctica here only at Manila Ocean Park. You will see the Humboldt penguins. You will experience the slide of fun, the ice slide, and you will see the Discovering Antarctica exhibit, where you will learn about the history of Antarctica. And finally, you will be able to experience the Snow Village, which is where we are right now. So again, Manila Ocean Park, we're open every day from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m.
Kaya tara na mga Chinoy Barkada. Punta na kayo dito sa Trails to Antarctica dito lang sa Manila Ocean Park.
Yes, this is definitely one trail that you don't want to miss.
接下来请继续收看更精彩的节目。Only here on
Pinoy TV, 飞华电视台。
Well, may bagong Chinese restaurant na naman na pwede nating bibisitan. O, di ba? Samtuas naman ang dishes nila sa Lee Garden Shark Fin Seafood Restaurant. 我知道丽苑包吃海鲜大酒家的这些丰富的菜肴，肯定让我们的观众朋友们口水是流不止啊！
Tama ka dyan. At ako naman super natuwa ako sa Chinoy Speak today kasi yung dad ko mahilig sa fishes, so pwede ko ituro sa kanya yon. So, if you want to download our Chinoy Speak for free, you just have to like our Facebook page. 你们可以直接上我们的脸书下载今天的 Chinoy Speak.
And if you want the freshest updates and behind-the-scene pictures of Chinoy TV, just visit our Twitter and follow us. And check our Facebook fan page regularly.
And before we end our show, we would like to thank our sponsors, the Federation of Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce and Incorporated, for our venue today.
废话商联总会，谢谢你们。
And of course, Mr. Aver Baquilio, Mr. Jappy Lim, and the Manila Ocean Park for our Chinoy Speak and Chinoy Travel venue. And Mr. Rich Valdelion of Laser Extreme.
And we'd like to say thank you to Mr. Anson Tan, Guo Chongyun 董事长, and Mr. Lawrence Wong, the General Manager of Lee Garden Shark Fin Seafood Restaurant, 丽苑包吃海鲜大酒家。谢谢你们上次对我们的款待，谢谢，非常好吃的菜肴，下次我们也要一起去。And we'd like to say thank you to Co and Weight Loss Lifestyle, Miss Barbara Young. Thank you. And for our Chinoy profiler, Mr. Henry Lin Bon Leong, 林玉庆先生，非常感谢您接受我们的访问。And for my personal sponsor, I'd like to say thank you to Frigo for my shirt, Converse for my shoes, Fresh Look Color Blend, and Gems Optical. It's located at Masangkay Corner, Recto. And for last but not the least, thank you to Dr. Tina Ngo of Dental Path. Thank you. I love you all.
Thank you also, Bambi, for my hair and makeup today.
There you have it. Thank you for spending your Sunday morning with us. 非常感谢大家今天早上的收看。我们希望下星期能够为您带来更加好看的节目。So stay tuned. Magbabalik kami next week only here on Chinoy TV 飞华电视台。